How to change your delivery address in Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your delivery address in Uber Eats. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, at the top left corner, you can see your current address. So simply tap on it to open the address selector. Now here in this section, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as home. So simply tap on the pencil icon beside that option, and once you tap on it, you'll see the interface like this. So here you can simply type in your built-in type and additional details if you like, but first you need to select your location. So just tap on edit pin, and after that you can simply scroll through the map and select the location that you'd like to pin. And here once you have added the location, you can simply scroll down and tap on save and continue, and after that your location will be changed. And that's it. That's how you can change your delivery address in Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.